Hey everybody, we're back to Michael's Reviews. Today we're going to be unboxing the Blue Pure 411 Auto Air Purifier. Designed in Sweden, as you can tell from here, designed in Sweden, but it's actually built in China. So it's a clean air at the touch of a button. So what this does is you press the button, and if it detects any dust particles or something like smells, it turns on automatically and it becomes much more louder so it can clean out the air. So here we go. This says real time, and it's for a small room. So basically for a office or a small bedroom, which is that's where I'm putting it. Here is more. If you like, you can pause the video and read more, but I'll have everything in the description and where to purchase this from. Here you go. So it does PM 2.5, pollen, pet defender, it does dust, bacteria, VOG, chemicals, smoke, dust mites, mold, cooking odours. Basically pretty much everything. And it's a HEPA filter as well, which has the HEPA science technology. And this is the other side, which is the French version, and some more stuff explaining how they love the planet and so forth. So I'm going to unbox it and see what's inside. Okay, let's start opening up this baby. Okay. And this is what you see when you look inside. Okay, it comes with the user manual for the user manual. You also get fresh filters delivered to your house if you want to do it like every, I believe it was every 8 or 9 months. They give you 50% off, and they just explain to you cleaner air and so forth, and quick start guide here as well. Okay. There's a nice protection here, and here he is. Nothing else in the box. We got the protection cover here. And press. So they have a sticker on top. This is where you press the button. Okay. And here's the power cord. It's white. This is the sock that they keep saying. This is where the dust comes out. Take it out, and you can clean it. There it is. This how it comes out. Pretty sure there's another way of doing this way. There you go. Easy way. Here's the bottom. Unplug before opening the sensor hatch. And there's the filter. It's pretty straightforward design actually. Doesn't seem to be any much different than anything else out there. Let me take out this. Wow. It's pretty well put on there. Holy moly. There we go. Take out this. And here's the power button. It's like touch. Okay. And here's the up close. Just take this out. And there's the HEPA filter with the pleats. And this is say change it every 9 to 12 months, which is pretty good actually. Or the sensor will tell you what to change it. So I don't know how it usually works. Maybe it works upon run time. So let's say if it runs more than usual, then the filter will be changed, let's say 6 months. If the board doesn't run after a certain amount, it takes 10 months, so it depends. That I'm not even sure how that's designed. And this is basically how this comes off. So you can place the filter, go back again, and then the socks. So I guess you can buy different colors. I've seen blue, green, red, black, but actually this color is just perfect for me. So I'm happy I have to buy another one. And then put this nicely here. I have to say, negative of this is that this ain't easy. It's involved. So have that in mind. There we go. And then you stitch this back like so. Has a little blue air here, kind of cool. Yeah, okay. Back. Put this in right here, like so. And do this. And let's plug it in and see what happens. And let's see if we can find anything. There we go. I found a plug. Okay. And there it is. It's on. And I hear it. Oh, can't hear it at all. It's actually very quiet. Tap it again. This is once, twice. This is max, it's really loud. And then it just shuts off. And that's pretty much it. So there's also two heads on the back, as you can tell. It's probably where the sensors are. And that's about it. That's how the unit looks like. There's also the blue light. Well, that's on. And let's see what that does. Exactly. Okay, so press once to turn on the unit to set it to auto mode. Press twice to set it to night mode, low fan. Press once, that's auto mode. Press twice to set the night mode, low fan speed. Press twice, 1, 2. And this is night mode. Remember, if it's night mode, the lights will be on. So if anybody is very, night mode, it's off. Okay, that's good. Everyday mode, press 3 times to set to everyday mode, medium fan. So 1, 2, 3. That's really loud, by the way. And it's also called the boost mode. And then press 5 times to turn off the unit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the unit is off. And that's it. That's basically much what it is. If it senses pollution up in the air, this will become red. And if it's medium, it will become yellow. And if it's blue, it's good. So right now it's good. I hope it's good. Once this becomes red, then it's gonna turn on and take out the pollution. That's all around it, like probably pet hair, smoke, or could be or any dust. And that's all for this review. So please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any comments, just post them below. And I'm gonna put the link in the description of where I purchased this item. Thanks.